Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your LENOVO Tab K11 Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over to the Wi-Fi settings. So open up the settings app, and now what you guys want to do is go over and scroll up to Wi-Fi, turn the Wi-Fi off and on. This is a quick restart. Now it is searching for Wi-Fi again, and it's trying to connect to the network that is saved. So here we're gonna wait. Of course, if we can speed up the process. And now we are obtaining an IP address, and soon we should be ready to forget and reconnect to the same network in those exact settings. So we are finally connected. Let's click on the icon right here, and we're gonna click on forget. Now we did forget the network. Let me quickly switch to the light mode so you guys can clearly see what's happening on the screen. We're gonna go back to Wi-Fi, and we're gonna choose the network that we forgot. We're gonna enter the password and click connect again. So soon we should be able to also connect. For this device, it's actually taken quite a long time, especially for me. I've been waiting for like 2 minutes, so maybe this time will be faster. And now what are we gonna do after that is restart the router and a phone. So this is what's so-called tablet. Also, you got a SIM, so that makes it a little bit of a phone. And we want to restart our tablet and the router. So once we connect to the network, we should be able to easily restart the router. And to restart the router, you need to find the switch on the back of it or on the sides, depending on what router do you have. And basically, after you get it, you should definitely turn this off, turn this on. This is a restart for your router. Do not reset it, just restart it. And for the tablet itself, all you do is press and hold the power button here. Now we are gonna hold it, and do not mind the Gemini popping up. We're gonna click on reboot, and now the tablet is restarting. We can see the logo right here, and soon we should see the Lenovo logo also popping up. So as you guys can see, we got the Lenovo, now it's loading, and I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go over and check for software updates as a last resort. So let's wait for everything to turn back on. Let's open up these settings, and here after opening up these settings, what are we gonna do is we're gonna scroll all the way down on the left side until we see about tablet, and here we tap on the system update. Now it is checking for updates automatically, and soon you should have your results once you connect to Wi-Fi. Basically, it will tell you that you're on the latest version, or if you need an update, you will see the button on the bottom that will tell you download and install. And after that, make sure that you're on the latest version. It's very important to not carry any old glitches on your device. And that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.